Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Tech on Style back again. I just wanted to do a video on my new keyboard. Now this is the LEOPOLD FC660M, and I decided to go with the two-tone white keys because apparently the blue and the black was sold out. And I got this keyboard from mechanicalkeyboards.com, and this costed around $109, 109, and I think it was a decent price for the build quality. And you know, it's a very good build quality keyboard. Now this is the USB port. I've already made an unboxing video, so you could go and check that out as well. There's LEOPOLD branding over here, which is very minimalistic, which is kind of good. And then at the rear we have the rubberized feet, and you know, you can set up basically on your desk. So if you don't like this, you could lay it flat, because this is at a sort of an angle as well, which is really nice. If you can see the sides, so that's pretty good. But I do like using these because it gives a better angle while typing. And we got 4 rubber feet on all 4 corners as well, which is really nice. And the keyboard has quite a slim profile. It's not too heavy, it's not too light, it's just an exact weight. I actually got this to pair it up with my MacBook Pro 2017, and that's what we are gonna do now. We are gonna pair it up with my MacBook Pro 2017 and see if it works and how it works. And these are the Cherry MX brown keys, because the blue ones are a bit clicky and they're noisy. So definitely, you know, if you are using this at university or school or at work, you don't want to disturb your colleagues. You want it to be less noisy. And if you like mechanical keyboards and you don't like the laptop keycaps, this is really good. So let's try and pair this with the MacBook Pro 2017 and do a quick test. Alright, to pair this with the MacBook Pro 2017, we would need the USB-C to USB adapter. So we're going to exactly plug this in to a MacBook Pro 2017. So once that's plugged in, all we got to do is we got to connect the USB to the MacBook. Okay, so this is the kind of notification that we get on a MacBook Pro 2017. The keyboard cannot be identified and will not be usable until it is identified. To identify the keyboard, press continue. So it's kind of hard to read. I hope you can read it now. So press continue, and all you got to do is press the button next to the shift key. Okay, and select the keyboard. So we're gonna select the United States layout, and let's see if this works. Let's open the notepad. Alright, and it works. It works great. Okay, so the keyboard works well with the MacBook Pro 2017, which is good. And I'm gonna do a quick typing test for you guys. Obviously you can't see my screen because I've got my keyboard on the layout, but I'll be doing a quick test. All right, so you guys can know how much noise it creates, because this has the Cherry MX blue keys. So definitely it does take some time to get used to it, because I'm used to the Ducky Year of the Rooster, which is like a full kind of a full layout and not a 60% layout. So I tend to press the backspace as the plus key. So I've got to get used to it, and I think it's easy to get used to it. It's not too bad, but definitely it's less noisy and you know, than the Cherry MX blue keys. And that was one of the main reasons I got this, because I wanted to get the mechanical keyboard to pair with the MacBook Pro. Yeah, so the keyboard works well with the MacBook Pro, and we do get spare keycaps, which is the control and the caps lock and the key remover as well, but we won't be using that. I'll keep that aside. So that was a quick video on pairing the Leopold mechanical keyboard FC660M with the MacBook Pro. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and do hit the subscribe button if you like the video. And yeah, I'll be making another video doing a quick review on the Ducky Pocket, and I'll be pairing this with my MacBook Pro 2017 as well. So thanks for watching, and keep subscribed.